Hello, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to see two things. First one is the div tag and the second one is how you can view and download the PDF with the help of link tag and how you can connect a mail and phone number with the help of link tag. So let's get started. So now I'll open my Visual Studio Code and then below this heading tag, right? I will like to add one div. Then within this div I would like to give one heading of type h3, and here I will write view PDF. Okay, and then after that I'll write one anchor tag, and within this anchor tag I will like to add the PDF, right? So you can see that my PDF is in the root folder of the HTML, right? So I'll simply write the name of the PDF, that is PDF file. So I'll write PDF file, right? And then here I'll write click here to view the PDF. Then I'm going to save this and I'll come back to my UI. So now here you can see that it is coming, click here to view the PDF, right? Now if I'll click on this, so you can see that the PDF has been opened, right? And one more thing, I'll come back to my VS Code, and to the div I would like to give one style, I would like to give one color, right? So I'll write style, and then within style I'll write color, and then would like to give red color, right? Now I'll come back to my UI. So you can see that the heading is displaying in red color, right? Similarly, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply copy paste this 3 more times, 1 2 3 and then 4, right? And I'll change the colors. I'll say let it be green, this one will be, let's say, blue, and this one will be, let's say, purple, right? And I will change the text. Click here to download the PDF, click here to send the mail, and then click here to make a call, right? And then within this href I'm going to, so for PDF this reference will be the same, but for sending the mail here I have to write mail to, and then I will write the mail, right? So let's say suppose xyz @ some random mail.com. so I'm just giving some random value over here, and then for connecting the phone number I will write tel, and then I'll write some random number, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0 and all, right? And then I'm going to save this, right? And also here I need to in headings also I need to change the text. So here I'll write download PDF, and here I'll write send mail, and here I'll write make a call, right? And then I'm going to save this and I'm going to come back to my UI, right? So here you can see that here it is showing view PDF, download PDF, send mail and mail call, and you can see that it is differentiated when I have given the in styles I have given the color, right? So this can be achieved with the help of div, right? And here if I'll click here on the first link, so you can see that PDF has opened, right? But it is not downloading, right? So in the second one, let me come back to my Visual Studio Code. So in the second one, like after this at line number 36, after this href, I'll write download, right? And then I'm going to save this, right? Now I'll come back to my UI, and here for the second one, for downloading the PDF, if I'll click here, so you can see that it has downloaded the PDF, right? So this is working. Now let me check for the email. So I'm going to click the third link, and here you can see that it is asking to send the mail, right? So this is working. And the fourth one, if I'll click here, so it will make a call. So I'm just clicking here. So here you can see that it is asking for making a call, right? So in this video we have seen that how we have used the div tag and how we have used anchor tag to first view the PDF, then to download the PDF, and then to send a mail, and at last to make a call, right? So thank you, that's all for this video. I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video with some new topic. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. Okay, thank you.